What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Appreciate you guys for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video here because you're gonna want to tune in and watch the entire thing. So right here, we got some legendary stuff going on. We have 3 back-to-back Ford Transit Connects lined up here, you guys. You guys are not gonna believe. You see the thumbnail. You're not gonna believe the insane setups we got going on here. Shout out to this man right here, the man, the myth, the legend. Raldas Details. Kind of busy right now like he always is, but we're gonna go ahead and start this video without. So right here we have Julian's from Just Clean Mobile Details Ford Transit Connect. What year is this, Tony? 2010. So we got 2010, 2011, and 2012 back to back to back. All right, so here we have Julian from Just Clean Mobile Details, located in Chester, Hopewell, VA. Make sure you guys tune in, check him out. I'll link all his stuff down below. He's got an Instagram and all types of social media accounts, so you make sure you follow him. So I like the color scheme that he has going on here with the black toolbox here instead of the blue one. It looks very chill and calm, right? And then we have the vacuum here on a reel. This looks like it's from Dust. What's say Dust, right? And then we also have the electrical reel, phone cannon holder, nice little bucket here. I assume he uses for the wheels. And then we have the rest of the reels on this side right here, pressure washer, compressor. So this one is not hanging like the other ones are, but it's actually down here, the tornador gun. This side over here, we have a lot of chemicals we use for polishing and everything like that for the exterior. Have some brushes and stuff down here. This is not my setup, so I can't tell you what they're used for, but I just know they're brushes, probably from the interior and the exterior. Go around this way, we have the passenger side door, which is the Aqua Provac, the extractor. Got some buckets here. Generator slide out, of course. This thing looks super clean. Very well organized, very well thought of. Look at the reels. The hose is just hanging here, man. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. And he got the ladder. You got the ladder in here too, bro. You got this is the platform. This is like a little table right here. And then we got the, what is this here? Knee pad. You say your table's over here? Oh, man. What was this at?
Oh, I see this.
This was in the van? So that was apparently in the van too. Okay, we got a lot of space in here, man. We got a lot of space in here. So we got a platform that's like a little ladder that you can stand on. And this is the opposite. I thought this was a table, but it isn't. It is a table here.
I just sit right there like that.
Nice. Okay, and we got the steamer on this side as well. Got the steamer. Got some products underneath there, gallon sizes. Got some sprays, spray bottles and stuff. Steamer. And what is it? Heat gun?
No, this is like your little blow dry the car. Crack crevices.
Oh, okay. So this uses, okay. You use that to like get in between cracks and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Crevices.
like lights.
Got some polishing pads, polisher, Ryobi pressure washer, same compressor, same vacuum. Wow. It's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the other ones as well so you guys can see. All right, guys, so right here we have the second Ford Transit Connect. I believe this is the 2012 one. It's the newest one out of all the 3. And then we have the same thing of dirty towels over here on this left side, clean towels over here. We have actually the tornador with a kind of like this. I never used this one, but it's actually laying up here. And then we have the other one down here. Small bucket, phone cannon, electric reel as well. Everything the same, everything very similar. This one also has the blue toolbox there. Not much to see. I'm gonna just show y'all this one real quick. Also have the glove holder, bottle holders and stuff like that in here. And then on this side, same thing. This one I don't believe is used as much, but we have the vacuum, the air compressor, and then we have the air the generator, water tank, everything like that. And then of course we have Mendez's setup, which is over here, which is gonna be probably the most dirtiest one out of all the three. But you guys see, so we got the brushes right there. Y'all know y'all seen the setup before, but it's just crazy seeing all three here live in the flesh. So we got that one, mine, and then we have Tony's van right there. All right, guys, so we're getting our oil changed on our Predator 3500 here. So we're doing a quick oil change on it because I've been using it for quite some time now. And it's time to go ahead and change the oil out. Make sure she's running nice and strong each and every time. Probably gonna do this once a month, probably overkill, but I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure I keep up with this beast of a machine here. So I'm gonna let Ivan do his thing there, and then we'll go ahead and head off. All right, YouTube, so we have first transit here lined up, which is Julian's from Just Clean. We have Mendez's right here, which is the second one. And then this is Tony. Tony says this is a prototype, so that's what we're gonna call it. Prototype. It hasn't been used as much, so it's definitely workable though. It definitely does work. Everything operates smooth and properly. It's just not being used as frequently as this one or this one. So appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.